Good morning, RVers. I slept like a baby. First night campsite. Very quiet. Our AC worked amazing. And it was so comfortable in my bed. I don't even want to get up. But I do. So, do you remember the first night you slept in your camper in either RV park or boondocking, and how that experience was? Leave it in the comments below. Let me know. Mine was amazing. Talk to you soon. Let us take you on a tour of our campground. Between General Ford and Day Palms in Palm Springs, 1,000 Trails Encore, Palm Springs Oasis RV Park is nestled between the mountains of Palm Springs. There's tons of amenities close by. Restaurants, grocery stores, gas stations. Palm Springs Oasis RV Park has 141 concrete and gravel spaces. There are 2 pool facilities located on this property. Barbecue grill over here. Yep. It's like a little wading pool. It only goes to 5 feet. 10 people. No pets. And those are the outdoor area with a gas pit. Right now it just has cigarette butts in it. Milk facility, and there it is. It's only open until 8, so that's probably why it wouldn't let me in. The map of campgrounds. You have like a little library and tables. No, got a microwave, TV in there. Restrooms, and it looks like 8.5 feet. Oh, there's horseshoes back there, and they also have shuffleboard, and they do have shuffleboard, and it's nice and clean. Have a dog park, and it's really nice. But it's closed due to COVID. We have a laundry restroom facility over here as well. Pretty clean bathrooms. And stalls. The sunsets here are gorgeous. Beautiful sunsets. This is a very friendly RV park for dogs. Due to the heat, the concrete can get extremely hot, but they do provide an area out front so that the dogs can run and play on grass. Dogs are to remain off the grass near the office. Thank you for coming along with us on the tour of Palm Springs Oasis RV Park. We give it a thumbs up. It's okay in our books. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us in the comments below. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube. Live the good life
and living the dream.